Have you ever walked through a library, surrounded by centuries of human stories? The smell of old paper, the weight of a book in your hand? But what if I told you this world is undergoing a seismic shift? The quiet halls of tradition are now being flooded with invisible streams of digital data. And at the heart of this transformation is something that's changing everything we thought we knew about books: artificial intelligence. What exactly is AI's role in this new chapter of publishing? It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, AI is an incredible assistant. Imagine an author writing faster than ever before, with an AI co-pilot that suggests plot points, catches grammar mistakes, and polishes sentences. It can even translate a new bestseller into dozens of languages almost overnight, making stories more accessible to a global audience. We're seeing tools that can help with everything from generating story ideas to designing the perfect book cover. It's a revolution in efficiency. But there's a flip side. As AI tools become easier to use, the market is being swamped with a tidal wave of content. Thousands of low-quality, fully AI-generated books are appearing on online stores every single day. They often lack soul, originality, and the basic elements of good storytelling. For readers, this creates a huge problem. How do you find a genuinely great book when you have to wade through an ocean of digital noise? It's like trying to find a diamond in a mountain of gravel. This explosion of content is devaluing the hard work of human authors and making it incredibly difficult for new, talented voices to be discovered. This isn't just a small change, it's a massive disruption. Think about the biggest shifts the publishing industry has ever faced: the invention of the printing press, the rise of ebooks, and the dominance of online retail. AI is on that same level, if not bigger. It's forcing everyone to rethink their roles. Publishers are grappling with how to verify authorship and maintain quality. Agents are trying to figure out how to represent authors in a world where anyone can write a book in a weekend. Booksellers are struggling to curate their collections. From the first spark of an idea to how a book is marketed and sold, AI is leaving its fingerprints on every single step of the process. And in the middle of all this stands the author. Let's not forget the human element. Think about your favorite book. The late nights the author spent wrestling with a difficult chapter, the personal experiences they poured onto the page, the unique voice that makes you feel seen and understood. That's the magic of human creativity. An AI can mimic patterns. It can assemble words based on data it has been fed, but it can't feel joy or heartbreak. It can't draw upon a lifetime of memories, dreams, and failures. While AI is an undeniably powerful tool, it's just that, a tool. It can assist. It can accelerate, but it cannot replace the depth, originality, emotional resonance that come from the human heart and mind. The soul of a story is, and always will be, human. So where do we go from here? The publishing industry is at a crossroads. We can't ignore AI or pretend it doesn't exist. The future lies in finding a balance. We need to embrace AI's efficiency to streamline processes and break down barriers. But we must also fiercely protect and champion the value of human authorship. It means developing new standards for transparency, creating better ways to curate and recommend books, and most importantly, continuing to celebrate the authors who dedicate their lives to the craft of storytelling. The next chapter of publishing is being written right now, and it's up to all of us, readers, writers, and publishers, to ensure it's a story worth reading. What are your thoughts on AI in the world of books? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into how technology is shaping our world. See you in the next one.